Skins Wraps has been a whole group of people who kind of pulled together and set this up in 1999. Started off with doing custom cars and then moved into commercial cars and then started with Ferrari racing. We're probably wrapping about 25 cars at minimum a week. But we've kind of teamed up with EPSON and tried to, whenever they came out with a new product, we've kind of pushed on that and then tried to hit all avenues that EPSON works in.
On a day-to-day basis here at Skins Wraps, we print a lot of stuff. We print from vehicles to buildings to interior walls and everything in between. Signage, stickers, there's pretty much nothing that we can't do here. Everything we have here has an EPSON label on it because it's just simply the best. So we started with the GS6000, and then as we went along and progressed, we needed bigger and better, and EPSON provided that for us. I actually still have an original S series, still running today, running banners, and with the original print heads in it, which is pretty much unheard of in a business. Then we got the new S60s and the S80s, and then now we have the S80Ls with the bulk system, which takes the game to a whole nother level. You can just basically just load it and forget it, and it'll just keep running. Now when we are evolving to the R series, the R series colors are just beautiful. I've printed all of the stuff and all of the wallpaper in this room with the R series, and panel to panel, day to day, it all looks the same. You can be assured that when you print on Monday, the prints from Friday will look exactly the same. Color consistency is one of the most important things in our business. You can't have one side of a vehicle look different than the other side, especially on something like a tour bus that's so big. You can't dedicate a machine to it. You need to be able to parse that over multiple machines if you have them. Now, if you have one, you'll still day to day as you go on, you will get the color consistency that you need to make the client happy. And with the EPSON SureColor series, you just don't have those problems. The R series is going to open us up to more commercial wallpaper jobs. And that's going to be a big next step in our evolution, is to be able to go after large commercial spaces. And we know that if you've got your lobby and you want some signage, you don't have to go buy a sign. We can print a wall and it can be 40 foot tall, and you know from the very top to the very bottom, the colors are gonna come out the same.
I handle all of the printing of the labels and the flatbed and also the t-shirt printing as well on the 3070s. With the flatbed, we get a lot more depth in our prints that we were never able to get before with just the traditional CMYK. With the light cyans and the grays and the reds, it's just a lot richer. You know, when you hand a client a sign and you go, hey, by the way, you know, touch this, feel this tree, and feel the clouds, and you can actually feel the depth of the image as well. And it's just really unexpected, and it's fun to watch people, their reaction to being able to feel the print. The 3070s have been super quick, and I just have job after job stacked up. But I have a logo that's this beautiful watercolored rainbow, and I never would have been able to get that print out of traditional screen print. You just can't get that, and it's really neat that just all of the depth of the color with that too.
We do a 20-week training program here. We do about 80 new kids a year, and we can run them through each printer. So in those 20 weeks, those kids can work in just about every division of our company. Once you open somebody's mind, they're gonna be asking questions. They're gonna ask the sales reps and the technicians about future things coming out, and then they go talk about it someplace else.
I have installed a lot of these printers, and with the absolute best help that money can buy. The EPSON guys that have come to this office are second to none.
It's been a great partnership, and it's helped us grow, and hopefully it's helped EPSON grow too.